The next section we're going to look at is the Themes tab. And this provides a way for you to design your web page based on a theme that either you have created or Google has created. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I click on Themes and I can see my web page over here. And I can go first to the ones created by Google. So if I click on any of them, you'll notice that they change my theme, and you can do some basic changes to these themes such as color and font style, but it's up to you on which theme you want. Just know that it does go across each of your pages, so if one person or one page you want to be different, you'll have to modify it different than the theme that you've placed on it. The other thing you could do is create your own theme. So say you want to have a template that you create that you can use later on for different websites. So you can go to create theme, you can title it, you can add a logo. So I'm going to add my CS logo. I'm going to hit next. You can add a banner if you want to. I can do my colors. And I can even do my headings and my fonts. Do Arial. And I can create my theme. So you'll notice that this theme, again, goes across all different pages, and it has a couple different options that you can take a look at here to alter the theme based on your preferences. If you want to get back, you simply click the arrow, and you'll notice that you have your themes and then the themes that are created by Google.